If equipped, you'll find the power sunroof controls on the overhead console, just right of the driver's side sun visor. To express open the sunshade, just push and quickly release the open button, and the sunshade will open to the half position. Pushing the button again will continue the sunshade to the full open position. Pressing and quickly releasing the close button will close the sunshade completely. To vent the sunroof, press the tilt button. Pressing down will lower it back down. To express open the sunroof, just push and quickly release the open switch. The sunroof will open to the comfort stop position, which helps minimize wind buffeting in the interior. Press and quickly release again to continue to the full open position. For express close, quickly push and release the close switch. Any use of the switch will cancel express open or close. If you'd like to manually open and close the sunshade and sunroof to your desired position, press and hold the button, releasing the button when your desired position is reached. If the sunroof detects any obstruction in its path during express close, it will cancel the operation. If this happens 3 times in a row, express close will disable, and you'll need to close the sunroof manually. This video is not intended to take the place of your owner's manual. For complete details and other important safety information, please see your owner's information.